Now, firstly, and we take a review of whatever we did last time and in the first classes, then making a simple SBUS network. From here, you see the relay module and the 12-channel relay. Each channel is getting 10 ampere rated current, and this is a 12 channel. And then this is ISIP, and we use for programming if we needed to use smart cloud for, and this one and connected to the switches. And then this one is the cable manager. The cable manager, and then you can make the SBUS in order. So, and then this one is the cable that we made just now and connected to this DDP panel. Now we are not giving power. You can see this one directly connected to the 220 voltage and the power supply, the AC input. So this one is getting input, and then we get a switch here, and then from here to connect it, giving power supply to the module. And this is 24 voltage one, and this is the adapter, and the adapter also gets the AC input from here, and then get output to SBUS network for the devices running. And then we go next step is for checking the connectivity. But before that, you see also this one, if you are running more than 15 devices and in one SBUS network, usually and this 2 ampere is not enough, so you can use the big load one, and this one is 5 ampere. You can read from here. So this one gets output of 5 ampere. So this one will support for almost 40 devices, 40 to 50 devices altogether. And then let's check the connectivity. If the connection is good, and then we will power on this one. And now still no power, so you can touch anywhere. But after you giving power for security, don't touch. And I will use this power meter to check the connection. And just one.